everybody, it's Sienna. Welcome back to another unboxing video. So, let's see what's inside this package. Love getting packages from Amazon. It's just so nice to see the little smiley face. Wow. Okay. So it's a top. Okay. Who's it from? This is from Tommy. Thank you so much, Tommy. Put this inside. Okay, and Tommy got me. Ooh. Oh, cute! It's like a mesh top with a bunch of little angels on them. And these are really popular right now. I just like it because like the little angels, they're really cute. And I really love the style of it. It's like kind of like a mock neck with a crop like kind of t-shirt kind of look. And they're really cute for like, you know, a formal night or even just like a casual with like jean shorts or something. And yeah, I'm gonna go try this on, so I'll be right back. So this is the top, and I did wear it with a white top underneath. Of course, I would wear it with like a black top, but of course, you know, it's in the laundry. Wear it too much, I guess. And it's like, I also suggest wearing a top underneath because it is pretty see-through, or you can even wear like a sports bra. But it's really cute. I really love the style of it, and it's really cooling too because, you know, since it's like, I guess, meshed, you get like a nice breeze and stuff. And I just really love it. Yeah. So once again, thank you so much, Tommy. I really love the top, and thank all of you for watching my videos and for supporting my channel. I'm grateful for you all. See you later.